Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you, a brand new product. Now, hold up a second, before we dive in, I want you to do me a solid favor. Check out the full review I've put together for you.
Imagine simply uploading a basic image and having a complete .marker page ready in just a few seconds. No drawing required. No design skills needed. Just upload your image, and the tool automatically generates every single dot for you. Marker books are currently one of the fastest growing niches in children's activity books, with high demand and young readers constantly looking for their next book. However, if you do this manually, the process is incredibly time-consuming. You would have to place every single dot, one by one, and then manually adjust the spacing. To create just a few simple pages, you could spend hours of work. That is exactly why this tool was created. With this tool, you can convert any image into a marker layout in seconds. The entire process is completely automated. You don't need to draw. And you don't need to design manually. Not to mention, you can easily customize the page size, margins, or the layout exactly how you want it. For example, you can change the size of the dots to make them larger or smaller, or adjust the spacing between dots to make the layout more spacious or dense. And that's not all. If you need more detailed edits, you can move dots, add new ones to areas that need more detail, or delete unnecessary dots to make the layout cleaner. All actions are performed directly on the canvas, where you can zoom in, zoom out, and drag and drop as you please. Once finished, simply hit download. The tool supports high-quality file exports in PNG or PDF format, ready to be placed directly into your book. In just a few minutes, you can create multiple finished marker pages. Whether you want to create activity books for kids or sell digital products on e-commerce platforms, this tool will help you get the job done much faster and easier. When you access the tool today, you will also receive the accompanying instructional course. This course will guide you through the entire process, starting from how to prepare your input images, to creating marker pages, designing the book interior, all the way to finalizing the cover and publishing on KDP. Additionally, you will receive bonus resources. These include 100 black and white line art images and 100 ready-to-use marker images. These resources will help you start creating your books even faster from day one. Just click the button below to get access today and start creating your own marker pages in just a few minutes. In this section, we will look at the basic process of creating a marker page from an image. First, let's start by uploading an image. I will choose a simple image with minimal detail here. Right after uploading, the tool will automatically analyze the image and convert it into a marker layout in an instant. Next, we set the book size and margins. In the book size section, you can choose the appropriate size for your book, such as 8.5 by 11 inches. Then, adjust the margin settings to ensure your content stays within the safe zone for printing. Moving on to the Shape tab, you can change the size of the dots by adjusting the shape size parameter. As you change this value, the dots on the canvas will update immediately. You can also adjust the spacing between the dots using the spacing setting to make the layout more spacious or dense, depending on your desired design. If you need more detailed edits, you can manually adjust each individual dot. First, use the Select tool to pick and move a dot to a different position. If you need to add more detail to the image, you can use the Add tool to insert new dots. Conversely, if there are unnecessary dots, you can select and remove them using Delete. For more precise alignment, turn on Snap. When Snap is enabled, the dots will move along the grid axis, making alignment much easier. If you want to move them more freely, just turn off Snap and drag the dot to your desired spot. Once you have finished editing, the final step is to download the page. Click on Download, and you can choose to export the file as a high-quality PNG or PDF. This file is now ready to be placed into your book interior or used for the next steps.